Hello mga tech enthusiast. Nandito na naman tayo para magbigay ng gamay na kaalaman. Alam nyo ba na meron ng ECC client application 10? And, at, and also si Windows 11 na rin. Sa hindi pa pala pamilyar sa SSH, si SSH stands for Secure Shell. Si SSH ay isang tool na para kapag remote access sa isang computer gamit ang command line. Usually, Linux machine, FreeBSD, ah, CentOS, Fedora, at iba pang distros ng Linux. So, yan lang yung simple definition ko ng SSH. I hope naintindihan nyo na yan. So, let's go. Demo na tayo. So, simple lang yung command. So, dito sa command prompt natin, gamitin lang yun natin yung SSH. So, pili natin tingnan kung ano yung mga parameters ng SSH natin. Here, command list like this. It's help. Here, makikita natin na meron ng isa sa command prompt ni na siyang ah, information about SSH. So there you can see as maraming letter dyan is usage, before bind interface, bind address, etc. No? Kami na. So yung simple, yung ano lang, yung command lang para pasukin natin yung isang server, isang Linux machine, para makapag-access tayo ng command line ng Linux na yun. So, simple lang yung command. So, ace lang. Giwitan ko lang to ng L and the username. Username is box. And of course, the IP address of the Linux machine I have 72.5. Hit enter. Provide the password. Okay, so here we go. We are in now in the Linux box. So here we can execute the command line sa natin, sa Linux machine natin. Type here the directory command S. Walang file. Tingnan natin kung saan ako. pwd. I'm in the home and OS box directory. Kung lalabas dyan, C plus, I'm on the directory slash and command S directory listing also here. So, makikita natin yung laman ng ating Linux machine. Makikita natin yung directory na in, dev, home, media, pt, root directory, run, the nmt, and so on. No? Yun. I think that's it. So I hope share ako sa inyo ng konting information about the SSH ng Windows. So I hope yung video ko, please like and subscribe. Thank you.